bowl here. Let's add the feta to it. I'm going to give you some Greek yogurt after that.
All of it.
All of this, please. We'll start with the sesame. Okay, white sesame. Black sesame seeds. Some poppy seeds. And some sea salt is what will go in it. And the macadamia nuts. So let's start toasting some of these macadamia nuts. Here we have added feta cheese. We are going to add some Greek yogurt to it. You could please do that. Now you can use regular nimbu, but the large one looks prettier and it's cool. I am going to add this to our base. So I'm adding some minced garlic to this base. Okay, you can finely chop it and add it. Back with the whisk, you can whisk this. Now it is very, very important to whisk this well. I'm sure somebody who knows how to cook will tell us why. He wants to whisk. Okay, let him come. Let him come. You've done a lot of sous chef jobs. Now let him come. Again, a very important tip, when you are toasting nuts, you always have to keep moving it around, otherwise it's going to get those brown spots. So I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now this again is something you can adjust according to your preference. Some people like it more garlicky, some people like it more oniony, some people like it very mild flavored. So you can suit yourself. Okay, some sea salt. And where are my macadamia nuts? This is the hero of today. Let's put this on the side. I'm going to chop some up. Okay, I am quickly going to give these also a toss in my pan just to wake up the flavors. Nice, perfect. I'm just going to chop them, not chop them, but just divide them into 2 so that they are not very long, so it's easy for everyone to have it. Okay, I'm adding some pepper and some salt. And little bit only because I'm going to add this bagel spice to it, okay? So let's do that. Another minute on the fire and we're done. Okay, final platter. Time for the plating. Okay, I'm making a nice base. I'm adding a little bit of the zest. Now this definitely looks like a 5-star dish, doesn't it? And I promise you, like I said, if I was not talking, it would be done in 15 minutes because I make this all the time at home. Some pomegranate arils on top just for a little pop of color. Dun, dun, dun.